All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to be talking about things that do or do not go bump in the night. And that topic at hand is Leviathans getting at least a tad bit scarier than they already are, because I'm sure, as anyone who has played Subnautica 2 through more than just the starter area knows, that the biggest creatures that are the most dangerous in the game announce themselves with a bullhorn. So that's things like the Shiver Leviathan when you're scouting around outside the current boundaries of the game, along with the Collector Leviathan that has some of the loudest boss music in the known gameaverse. So as we've seen on Discord, one of the developers actually addressed this issue. Artie has noted that there's been a lot of feedback about the music, how it's been very loud, how it's not exactly scary when you can hear the monster coming from a mile away, and the developers have heard us, and they are going to be addressing that in a future update. It has in fact been used as a placeholder as they're starting to get all the pieces together because, you know, something I'm sure a lot of people are already tired of hearing, even though it just came out, is Subnautica 2 is currently in early access, so a lot of things are just placeholders. But I will say it will be kind of scarier and more entertaining if things get a lot stealthier when they sneak up on you right before they blast you with that echolocation, in the case of the Collector Leviathan, and then start chasing you down at the bottom of the ravine. So I thought that was kind of cool. I mean, the good news is the developers are listening to feedback from the players. This does include, even though it makes people quite salty, the fact that people want to be able to harm and kill more of the animals inside of Subnautica, and they're trying to at least reach a happy medium where they're happy with it and the community's at least somewhat happy with it, to try and meet in the middle, which I think is good. Compromise is something that happens in game development a lot, and sometimes not everybody's happy, but I think stealthier monsters will make everyone happier. At least the people that, you know, want to get a little bit of a bump in the dark.